In this video, I'll be taking you through Rocket Matter, an accounting and practice management solution that's quickly becoming popular among small business owners, attorneys, and other professionals. Once you land on their website, you'll immediately notice a clean and professional interface designed to make navigating the platform simple and efficient. Rocket Matter offers a robust set of tools for invoicing, time tracking, and project management, all integrated into a user-friendly dashboard. This integration makes it ideal for businesses that need a comprehensive platform to handle financial and operational tasks in one place. As I show you the interface, you'll see how easy it is to generate detailed reports, track payments, and manage client accounts, all in a few clicks. The platform also offers customizable features, so you can tailor the software to meet your unique business needs. Whether you're invoicing clients or tracking expenses, Rocket Matter allows you to create customized templates that fit your preferences, making it easier to stay organized. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video. A key selling point of Rocket Matter is its seamless integration with popular tools like QuickBooks, Google Drive, and Microsoft Office. This makes managing documents, syncing your financial data, and sharing files with clients straightforward. Rocket Matter also offers strong security features, including encryption and secure cloud storage, which is critical when handling sensitive financial information. On the downside, while Rocket Matter is feature-rich, its pricing structure may be a bit steep for small startups or individuals who are just getting started. However, the platform's flexibility and range of tools could be worth the investment, depending on your needs. If you're considering Rocket Matter, it's important to assess your business size and requirements before committing. The software is best suited for growing businesses or professionals with more complex accounting needs. So if you're just looking for basic financial tools, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, Rocket Matter is a solid choice for professionals looking for an all-in-one accounting and practice management solution. It offers a wealth of features, great integration options, and an easy-to-use interface that can streamline your financial and business management processes. If you're ready to level up your accounting game, Rocket Matter might just be the solution you've been searching for. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more detailed reviews on accounting tools and business software.